Pangatlong segment na po tayo. July 30, hindi nag-attend ng SONA si BP Sara ng 2024. Dahil nandoon nga sila family personal travel. Ngayon, noong August 6, may lookout order na si Attorney Harry Roque, and by August 16, nagkaroon po ng investigasyon ng POGO, illegal drugs, EGK, human rights violation against the Duterte and its allies. So, kaya siguro natin maiintindihan kung bakit si Harry Roque ay talagang nasama dito sa mga allies na pag tatanggalin para walang suporta ang mga Duterte. After that, noong August 24 naman, ang QOGC ay pinangpasok ni General Torre at nagkaroon ng stand-off until September 8, 2024, or 16 days from August 24 na si Kibuloy ay accordingly nag-surrender sa isang army and not kay General Torre. Alright. So, by that, October 18, Hontiveros questioned 16 million confidential fund for 34 rented safe houses by BP Sara. So, kumbaga, tanggalin si Roque, tanggalin si Kingdom of Jesus Christ, tapos ipinasok na yung 16 million confidential fund ni BP Sara through Hontiveros. Then the Congress budget hearing proceeded with the same hostile climate of rudeness na nakita natin paano binabastos ang ating Vice President in order to extract about the alleged illegal use of confidential fund. Noong October 28 naman, nabuli po dito si ating pangalawang Pangulo, and then punta po tayo sa mga nangyari na during the Quadcom hearings.